Hello there, here we are in the beautiful region of Puglia. Today I'm showing you two very cute properties. We are located just outside of Carovigno. We are like just 1 kilometer from Carovigno, and we are seeing a trullo saraceno, which you can see in the background over there, and then a Lamia, which is just down this driveway through the trees. The Lamia is around 100 square meters of Lamia, and then the trullo is just a 1 room, so very small. But usually what you can do with a trullo like that is you do a bedroom, bathroom setup, so maybe a place for your guests. But let's start to walk in. Now we are located on just over 3 hectares of land, so all the land that you can see around here, and I will be putting in the drone video, is included in this property. So lots of land, and I love this driveway. Obviously we've got lots of natural shade here, which is incredible from these pine trees. I'm a big fan of pine trees. I know they're a pest, I know they're difficult because they have roots that go underneath and sometimes can cause problems to the properties, but at the same time the peace of the wind going through the pine trees and all the shade that it creates, it's incredible for this type of a property. So let's come through. You can see this is not fully finished. This does need a lot of work here, and we can see we're just seeing the main structure today and what can be done. I'll go into detail if any of you have any questions. So coming through, we'll start in the main sitting room area. I say sitting room, but this is really down to you, what you want to make of it. The main structure I really like. Look at these beautiful star vaulted ceilings in here. These are very nice, and it's tall, right? It's a lot of space here. Here, behind here, we have another room, good sized room. Remember, it's 100 square meters of property, but I would say here originally there would have been a door at some point. This got closed up over the years. This, I would open it right up, because actually the back is a beautiful land area, and obviously you've got more privacy as to the front, which is obviously on the road as well. So coming through here, got another good sized room. Here we've got a little fireplace as well, and this is probably where the property started. This was the main original part, and over the years they probably added on. You can see here we've got the little sink for which would have been used for animals here, and here we've got the fireplace, probably a later addition, the fireplace, but you can see we've got lots of light coming in from this large doorway. And again, depending on what you wanted to do with this place, you'd have to decide on what it was going to be used for. So coming back here, we've got another further 2 rooms. I think this really just needs to be broken down and just have this as 1 room on itself. And again, if you open it up to the outside, I think this is ideal to have another entrance from here. So potentially you could do a 1 or a 2 bedroom property with a sitting room and kitchenette. I think that would be ideal for this type of property. And then you can have the 3rd bedroom in the trullo, which we are also going to show you. So again, really tall ceilings. I love that about this place. But coming out, even the land is really cute. And as you can see, we've got this little stone wall as it goes around, and it is walled off all the way around this property, so another massive plus. But I do want to show you the land behind, because it is a beautiful plot of land, and there's kind of a very good African vibe to this land that you can see here. Obviously we are seeing it in summer, and it is very hot at the moment here, so but it's absolutely beautiful. And again, I will be adding the drone videos, and obviously it's right next to Carovigno, so it might be that we can even show you a little bit of Carovigno as well, to kind of pair up the properties that you know, okay, this is close to this particular town. Here we've got the cistern out here, so that's for the water currently, but obviously you have the options of if you wanted to put an artesian well, and here you can do a swimming pool. So obviously you'd be wanting to decide where you're going to put this swimming pool. I'd be very against getting rid of any of these trees, because I do really love this entranceway, and you can see where we've parked the car at the end. But coming round here, we'll move towards the trullo saraceno, so I can show you just there's not much to show you on the trullo, unfortunately, but you know, it's just the one room. And you can see it's a good distance from the main house, so it's nice that you could have potentially, you could do a second driveway and have this completely separate for your guests or friends or whoever's staying over, and have it very separate from the main house. So lots of potential here. Obviously you're going to want to actually you're going to want to take on a project. I mean, this is needing work, and it's something which doesn't really have anything currently, but obviously we are in an area where you are supplied with electricity, and obviously for water you can organise an artesian well, so that can be organised quite simply. You are actually right next door to one of the masserias that we're selling at the moment, so potentially any person interested in the masseria could also be interested in having something separate from the main house, but also another area for, again, another little bit of a guest room or a luxury suite where you have it with its own separate piece of land. So coming round here, it is a little bit difficult to get round here. We've got the trullo saraceno, which again I'll show you with the drone, because I think it's actually gonna be easier to show you with the drone. And you can see in here it is just the one room. Maybe if we can get in here, just need to check for snakes or anything as we go in. Okay, we're okay. Yes, we're good. So please come in, we are safe. But yeah, you can see typical kind of trullo saraceno with the stones showing. This would be ideal for a bed in the middle. Usually they carve out a bathroom in this type of situation, maybe a kitchenette in there, or maybe you put the bed in there and then this becomes kitchen bathroom area. So you can see it's a good size, but two properties here, beautiful properties. Again, I'll put the drone video just to show you the land, because the land is really stunning. But if you have any questions on this property or any of the others, please don't hesitate to get in touch. Thank you very much for watching.